In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download inDrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get the official app on your Android device quickly and safely using the Google Play Store. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to download trusted apps. You'll usually find the Play Store on your home screen or in your app drawer. If it's not immediately visible, use your phone's search to locate it. Before you start, it's a good idea to make sure you're connected to the internet and that you have enough storage space available, as both will help the download go smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top of the screen for the search bar. Tap it and type inDrive exactly as spelled. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Choose the one that matches the app name to save time. Taking a moment to spell it correctly helps you avoid similar-sounding apps that aren't the real thing. Next, select the official app. You're looking for the listing titled inDrive, Rides at Fair Fares. That exact title confirms you're on the correct page. When you open the app's page, you can double-check you've got the right one by scanning the details. The title should match exactly, and you'll typically see a high download count and plenty of reviews, which is a good sign you're on the legitimate listing. Sticking to the official page helps you steer clear of imitations. Now, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app, and you'll see a progress indicator. The time this takes depends on your internet speed. If you're on mobile data and want to save on usage, consider being on Wi-Fi before you start. During the process, Play Protect may run a quick safety check, and you might see permission notes that explain what the app needs to function. That's normal and helps you make informed choices. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open, and you'll also see an icon added to your home screen or app drawer. That's your confirmation that inDrive has been successfully downloaded to your device. If the Install button was grayed out or you encountered an error, check your internet connection, free up some storage if space is low, or try again after a few minutes in case the store was temporarily busy. That's it. You've opened the Google Play Store, searched for inDrive, selected inDrive Rides at Fair Fares, and tapped Install. You're all set.